Friends, Running Kimono here. So, a lot of people on Instagram and a lot of you have been saying, hey, 90% clearance at my Walgreens store. Oh my gosh, like I can't believe it's a whole bunch of stuff from food, toilet paper, makeup, razors, deodorant. We're just going to have a quick rundown, and I have been seeing the same tags as well. And let's just remember, typically those orange tags show up either Saturday or Tuesdays. That's what I've noticed. Definitely, if you see something in this video, ask for a price check at the front of the store, even if it's not tagged, and you might be surprised. It could possibly be on clearance. Possibly might not be, though. It's always a year mileage may vary what state you're in. I know that Michigan and Texas right now, we all have the same clearance. Same with Minnesota. Say you're in Maine, for example, possibly it might be completely different, or Maine might be next week. So just keep all this stuff in on the back burner. And for these clearance items, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Yes, you can use register rewards to pay them down, and digital coupons as well. As long if it's a store coupon, you're ready to go. If it's a manufacturer, it has to be the sum or like a penny more. It can't be like a $5 digital manufacturer with a $3 item because you're at a deficit of $2. But, hopefully you can find enough to cover that, just to let you know. For the most part, too, guys, you have to do this in store because curbside is always kind of a crapshoot with these. So a lot of you are reporting between $1 to $3 off of the Cottonelle. And then there's two types of Cottonelle. So definitely walk down that aisle, whatever they might have. Some smaller Walgreens brand too, like the single tubes of paper towel I've also seen on clearance. The CoverGirl, this lip, it's called Yummy. There is no digital coupon or IBOTTA, but it's gone from $12.99 down to $1.29, so that is 90% off. And the rest of the stuff we're looking at in this video is 90% off. We have this little face powder. There is, I believe, a $2 digital coupon, and IBOTTA has a $3 rebate that you could do up to one time. For the $2 manufacturer to work, you'd have to buy two of them to get to that, $2 or $3 threshold because it's $1.99. Original price for this was $19.99. When you're in that cosmetic aisle, I would definitely also go to that perfume counter. We have this Lucky brand perfume, $35.99 down to $3.59. And often with the perfume counter, they have samples. So if you're like, I'm not too sure about that, because I've never heard of this brand, you might want to ask for the sample. And the Toms of Maine, we do have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and IBOTTA also has $1 back. So, if you could track down 2 of these or 2 of the deodorants, you would be in business. Right now, we also have a ton of deodorants, and double, triple check your IBOTTA in case some rebates populate. And some of these prices, when people see them for these costs, they just grab everything off the shelf. So if your store possibly on, on Tuesday, they started putting these tags up, or possibly Saturday, everything that was on clearance, it's now 90% off. So shaving and deodorant, if you saw a bunch of these tags, I would definitely try and see or ask for a price check. Lots of the lashes and nails as well. 90% off. So if that's your thing, this is definitely the time to stock up. I would definitely use some Walgreens cash so you're not feeling it out of pocket. Now, these 2 razors, when you buy 2 of them, you're going to get back an $8 register reward. The one on the right-hand side at the blue packaging, this 6 off of 1 is in fact attaching to it. But for that pink one, it isn't. And many of you have reported that to me. And this guy is just a freebie. There is no register reward that is printing with it. But, to get a $38.99 razor for free with that 6 off of 1, which is a store coupon, that's fantastic. And then another one that's printing out the $8 register reward is this razor. And it's gone from $4.29 down to $1.69. So if you could track down 2 of them, you would pay that and then get back an $8 register reward for this one. Also on clearance in the razor family is any Bic Easy Rinse men's razor. So the visuals on the right hand side, 79 cents, 99 cents. And there's a Bic Soleil razor also for $1.79. So that's not quite $90, but it's getting close to that. Another great find is the Oral-B IO4 for $29.99. We currently have a $10 digital coupon, so it would drop this guy down to $19.99. And while you're in store, definitely walk down that frozen food aisle. Lots of food, and the stickers, for whatever reason, the adhesive isn't very strong on these orange ones. So if they have fallen, you possibly can find like hidden clearance. 68 cents for this box of 4 of the sliders. And this one fell. It was the Tyson fully cooked chicken breast for $1.29. Definitely use your sleuthing skills to find those stickers in the cooler. That's it for this video, guys. Good luck, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.